3 chapters. You draft, you play, you feel like royalty. And then Act 3 reminds you who you really are. Yep. And yes, I'm using the French version, Il était trois fois. Same game, less English. 3 Chapters is a trick trading card game with 3 acts. In Act 1, you draft characters. In Act 2, you play their tricks. In Act 3, you score based on how well their cards synergize. It sounds simple. It isn't. Chapter 1. Drafting. You pass cards, pick characters, build your little fairy tale army. Chapter 2. Trick taking. You must follow suit, unless you can't. And here's the twist. Some cards want to win tricks. Some cards absolutely don't work together. Chapter 3. Scoring. Every character scores differently. And this is where people realize they misunderstood everything. You will boldly think you're winning, and then lose by 20 points. 3 chapters work because it constantly changes priorities. Draft smart, play smarter, regret everything. It's not just trick taking, it's prediction layered on top of chaos. Playing 3 chapters feels like writing a fairy tale, where every character secretly hates each other's. You draft the perfect combo, and then someone ruins it by playing one stupid card. And somehow, that's the whole point. It's fast, it scales well, and it rewards paying attention. The 3 acts structure keeps it fresh. It's like building a cabin in 3 stages. Plan it, build it, then realize the door is on the wrong side. If you don't enjoy trick taking, this won't convert you, and the scoring can feel confusing the first time. You have to think ahead, not everyone wants to. 3 chapters gets 7.5 misunderstood fairy tales out of 10. It's clever, it's tight, and it rewards people who adapt. If you like layered card games, this is strong. If you want mindless chaos, go play Ghost Blitz instead. Alright, if you like this review, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more honest board game review, and tell me in the comment, do you draft safe or do you gamble? See you next time.